The preparedness of Nepal Red Cross was there for several years, but in spite of that, the magnitude and the coverage of the incident is so big that Nepal Red Cross has to totally rearrange the whole planning.
The Red Cross is doing a number of things to support people affected by the earthquake. We've launched a major international emergency appeal. We have support coming in from Red Cross national societies around the world. We have medical teams coming in. We have relief materials coming in. But the Nepal Red Cross has been here obviously since day one. They're working in every affected district, distributing relief materials, providing medical care to survivors.
Thanks to these volunteers in hundreds, really with courage, with hope, with leadership, with resilience. Even though they are themselves affected because they are part of the community, are here showing us the way how to do it. Without them, we would never, ever, be able to do that.